Welcome back, guys, to the Eurusd chart. Two positions are missing here, and this is because the stop losses that were set were tapped. On the daily chart, you can see that price reached into this inefficiency there, this fair value gap, and hopefully I might see a reaction from there. Seeing this from the H4, I wasn't expecting it to go that far today to purge the other levels and then reach for this inefficiency, which you see clearly in the 4-hour. I didn't expect that happening. I was just expecting that price would be rushing down and down here, purging the levels that I had put my TPs at. So it was, the first TP was here, the second was here, and the last one was here. So for the two positions that have been closed, I still remain with one open position there, which had my stop loss far above here. So I haven't lost my cool in terms of the bearishness here. I still hold on to the bearish bias because I believe we can continue from this point here going downwards, because still there is a break of market structure here and price just returned into the inefficiency, and I can still see that we can go raid up until maybe we get to this level of consolidation here. So let's just quickly switch to the 4-hour chart and see what is unfolding. So this is the 4-hour chart, and above here is where I placed my stop losses. And with the news that came in, the stop losses were purged, and I'm still counting on for the redness here, the bearishness, to continue downwards, purging this low here, and hopefully with that strength we might reach to the low levels there. Otherwise, if we just end it around here, I might expect some sort of bullishness continuation to the upside there. So for now, I'm still bearish up until I see that this high here has been taken. So this is in relation to the mode I trade, that is. So for now, I'm still bearish, and I'm still looking forward to seeing these two relative equal lows go, and in the same sense, price reaching for the low here. So I'm not worried about what has happened here, because already this in itself is a higher time frame consolidation or pullback or whatever you may call it, because it formed a level here, level 1, level 2, and returned back into the range, failed to take the low here, and reached into this inefficiency there. This is what happens always when price is reaching for a fair value gap or an inefficiency, just that maybe in the lower time frames we might not see it deeply when you go to the, for example, the microseconds chart or whatsoever. But this is the kind of price action that always happens whenever price is reaching for a fair value gap. So even here, this is the very same price action that you get when you go in the very lower time frames there. So I'm not worried about this one, because I might call this one as my first level of consultation here as level 1 based on the 4-hour chart, and I'll be expecting to see the very same thing happening for level 2 around here, and up to the continuation up until we see price reach lower and lower there. So I'm not worried about that one, so I'm just gonna still hold on to this trade here. Switching to the H3, let's see what we have. Yes, that week just purged the stop loss that were here and reached into this inefficiency, and now hopefully I might see it drop lower and lower there. If we have changed sides, that means the stop loss there will be triggered for the last position that I have there. The 2 hours chart still have that red candle there, hasn't yet closed. Probably by 18 hours we might see it close, and maybe the next candle is going to give us the proper context on whether we are bearish or bullish there. But for now, I'm very bearish, and I'm not worried about what has happened here. Still more is going to the M30. This is the M30 chart, and with the price signature that is here, price reaching into a fair value gap, most of the times I have to expect price to go to the upside, but here I'll not charge myself into a bullish trade here, because the higher time frame here is telling me to be bearish. So I don't think this one will be enough to push price up and take the buy side liquidity there. So I'm still gonna hang on to the bearishness there. The M15, very same price action there. That price is heading higher, but then I don't think it's gonna get high up here in the probably reaching the top there and purging the stop loss there. So I'm still gonna hold there. M5. So I think the price action is much clearer for me when I'm using the higher time frames, and I'm not going to be going below M30 from now on. So it will be just the monthly chart to the M30. So that's the kind of price action that we have on the Eurusd and my technical point of view when it comes to technical analysis, that is. So let's just follow it up together and see if the current position will get us to the TP there. So that's what I had for today. Thank you for your time, and I hope you'll be coming here now and then. See you soon.